Hello students, welcome back to your English class, intermediate second year. I hope you are doing great at your homes, watching the video lessons made by your teachers and doing the tasks given by your teachers. So today we are going to do the second section of module 1. But before we get into the topic, just have a glance at the picture at the slide, where you see different colorful pictures of celebrations. They are the pictures of different kinds of celebrations, like the festivals you see, Diwali, Christmas, Ramzan, which speak of the different religious festivals, the happy moments the families and the people share with their families. Then we also see the picture of national festival being celebrated, which reminds of us the proud moment of freedom which was achieved by the sacrifices of great freedom fighters. Then we have the picture of a birthday celebration. Everybody likes their birthday, the celebration, the most special day for everyone in their life. Every year we celebrate our birthdays with very joyous mode. And then we see the last picture where we see the achievement being celebrated. Any great achievement, be it be education, job, or any special moment, when we have a feeling of great achievement, we always feel like sharing with our friends, family members and all. So that is also a moment of celebration. So these are the different moments we celebrate. But what do you mean by celebrate? What do you mean by the word celebration? To celebrate is to engage in a joyful activity in appreciation of a special moment, a special event. You appreciate that special, happy moment by in an expression of celebration. We share our happiness with our loved ones. So that is what is celebration. So thereby you can guess today's topic is I celebrate myself. I Celebrate Myself is a beautiful poem written by Walt Whitman. When the whole world seeks to enjoy, seeks to find different moments of happiness, celebrations, for different moments of happiness and achievements to celebrate. This great poet in this poem seeks to enjoy the concept of self, the very fact of being alive. For this poet, this matter of the matter of celebration, the moment of celebration is being alive itself. So let us have a brief introduction of Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman was born in 1819, popular as a poet of universal values. He was born in USA. Because of his father's deprived failure, he had a deprived childhood. He could not have a normal childhood like all the others, and due to this, he at a very young age he had to take various jobs like printer's apprentice, compositor, teacher, and hospital volunteer. So due to his abnormal kind of childhood, he had developed a deep insight into human life, which is again reflected in his writings. So the varied experiences Whitman had can be seen in his writings. The varied experiences helped Whitman to see life as an integral whole. In his early poems, Whitman reflected on the society and civilization of America, but he soon evolved as a poet of universal values. Among his great works include Franklin Evans, written in 1842, Leaves of Grass in 1855, Drum Taps in 1865, and Democratic Vistas in 1871. So, originally this poem is a selection. This present selection of the poem in your syllabus given is actually the opening section of Whitman's longer poem, that is Song of Myself. This poem has actually 52 sections. Here the poet seeks to explain the concept of self. This concept of self has its roots in philosophical belief that all living and non-living beings are different forms of the Supreme Being. Thus, when he sings of himself, he is actually praising the glory of himself and the whole cosmic self. The poet praises himself. In doing so, he praises everyone. For all are equal and all come from the same source, that is the Almighty. You know what is the origin of all the living and non-living beings? If you think, it's the only source, that is the God Almighty. The God has created this whole world. All the living and non-living beings on this earth are created by the same single source, that is God Almighty. And in this poem, the poet is singing a song of celebration in praise of the God Almighty, who is the source of spirit and energy to all the living and non-living beings on this earth. So that's all for today. We had the introduction of the poet, and we also got to know what is the main theme of this poem. Thank you.